Thomas Jefferson said, "The most sacred of the duties of government is to do equal and impartial justice to all its citizens." A respected justice system is the foundation of our community. We have sought an outside evaluation on how we can reduce cost and improve efficiencies.
Wrote a report in 2005 and presented it to the county that had 35 recommendations in it.
These recommendations become the Justice System Reform, the JSR. It's important to understand that we have a board and 3 councils to implement the goals that we've established.
The goal of the JSR is to try to look at the entirety of our criminal justice system from the ground up and figure out ways to make the system more efficient, more effective, more fair.
The Reform Project will show to everyone this is a system that we can be proud of and that we know works.
The benefits to every participant, all the stakeholders, are tremendous. It's everybody gets a little bit of everything.
As public defender, the efficiency would be that we're better able and earlier able to represent our clients.
The commissioners are wholeheartedly supportive of this process. What we have to do is look at every way possible to be more effective and more efficient in every facet of county government, every facet of county service that we provide to the public.
One of the first steps we took was to set up pilot projects to test new protocols that the justice leaders have agreed to implement.
Having a pilot project is an easy way to test a concept and prove the concept to other people and demonstrate that it works.
The pilot program shows some promise as to what we can ultimately achieve if all of the local police agencies concentrate on law enforcement and not detention.
Now, we know that our criminals don't stay in the city of Cleveland. They go to other municipalities throughout the county. So it's very imperative that we're all on the same page and we share intelligence. We have partnered with the Sheriff's Department. We've gone to centralized booking. Yeah, it's far more efficient.
It's more cost effective doing business this way with felony prisoners than we did in the past. Yet it hasn't reduced the quality of our investigations nor the effectiveness of our detectives.
There is an enormous reduction in the amount of time the defendant is spending in jail with nothing happening.
The old system allowed defendants to sit in jail waiting for arraignment, pretrial, transportation, or to be assigned a lawyer. This delay wastes county dollars and contributes to jail overcrowding. The justice system currently accounts for 46% of the county budget. Reducing this unnecessary delay is a key for the justice system reform.
One good thing about the Reform Project, it's recognized that there's a need for programs that divert the person from the normal path. So one of the things is to try to expand the drug court.
So when someone's addicted to drugs, it's important to identify that early. Somebody has a mental illness, it's important to identify it early so we can treat those issues.
When you treat individuals, that person start changing the way they see things, they start changing their values, and most important, they start changing their behavior. As a result, they do not come back in the criminal justice system.
Programs like drug court, mental health court, and reentry court are helping to reduce the stress on the system by developing more efficient ways for cases to be resolved.
What moves cases through the criminal justice system is that people have the information they need to make a decision and resolve a case. So anything that you do that helps people get the information they need in a more timely manner means the process is not only faster, it's more just.
What's the best way to get to the outcome that we all want, which is when someone's charged with a crime, that they get a fair hearing in court, that the facts are known by all, and that the judge or the jury has the ability to make a fair disposition of that case that's fair to the population of the county, but also fair to that individual who's been charged with the crime, and to the victims of that crime as well.
Moving forward, we will continue to research best practices and technologies for the justice system to better serve the citizens of Cuyahoga County.
We're deploying wireless networks, voice over IP, phone systems, video conferencing. All of these entities and all of these technologies are going to be there, and we're going to help support them along the way.
As we continue to meet and we continue to fix things, the big picture is this whole system is going to become much better, more efficient, more cost-effective.
Changes in the system hopefully are helping to give us more tools to properly defend the poor and oppressed or the wrongfully accused.
It is progress, it is good change, and it's going to continue.
This is a project that is for all, not just those involved in the system, but those out in the community as well.
Thank you for supporting the justice system reform. With your help and contribution, we can make a difference in our justice system in Cuyahoga County.